What's good, YouTube? This your boy Celeb Trades. This is just an update, part two, basically of trying to get trading to buy a $10,000 funded account. So basically, I'm just gonna break down this trade that I took last week Thursday. Yes, trade I started taking last week Thursday. So basically, what happened was that I was on a daily time frame, right? And I saw that obviously market had broken the all-time high, and I wanted to enter, right? And I'd entered on this impulsive candle, and I entered, and then I scaled in at around 29.93. That's where I scaled in. So right now, currently, what we can see on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is that market was failing to sell, basically, and was consolidating in the zone between 29.81 and 29.93. So I've been holding this trade since Thursday, and the price action has actually been insane, because we can see with this zone here, the zone at 29.81, you can see that this is a strong rejection zone. You can see multiple rejections here with these candlesticks rejecting on the 1-hour time frame, rejection, and you can see that market has just been continuing the trend. I was talking to a colleague from my job, and he was saying that, well, the market had opened on Sunday. The market was here, basically. Yeah, and he was telling me that, he was telling me that I should close my buy trades because of this pattern. Let me just. Basically, I should close my trades because left head, right, and then it was supposed to do this. That's what he anticipated, but according to the 4-hour time frame, I said otherwise. Because if you can look on 30-minute, you can look on the 30-minute, as much as there's a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, gold will always trend towards you always gotta follow the trend with gold. I won't lie to you. And entering like immaturely like sells when there's no break of market structure is only going to make you blow your account, because gold moves very fast, very quickly. So on the 4-hour time frame right now, what's convincing me to continue holding this trade is the fact that market has created this support right here, and what happened is that this support is created, and then the previous resistance, which was at 29.94, which was made on Friday, and it has broken that resistance. So obviously what we can expect after break of resistance is a retest and then a continuation. You get me? So right now the all-time high is 23,004. Yes, that's the all-time high right now. What's good, YouTube? This your boy Celeb Trades. So this is just an update on the little series we're cooking up right now. So what happened today is that gold ended up making an impulse leg, you see, and we ended up taking profits, nice profits, you get me? So yeah, I just want to take you through this trade and why I kept holding it. You see, if you can see here on the let's go in the 4-hour time frame. If you can see on the 4-hour time frame, what I saw is that there was gonna be a break here. So once it broke this resistance here, I knew there was gonna be a continuation. I didn't know if it was going to retest, but you can see that with these candlestick wicks, these long wicks, these are retests on the lower time frame, you see. But besides that, we continue to hold, and you can see was our scaling position. This was our scaling position, as you can see with the arrow indicated. So ended up taking 2 trades. One trade was at 29.72 and the other was at 29.94. This account, it's a small account, very small account, so I did manage to end up reaching my goal, which was what? Getting a prop firm account. So right now we bought an account already, actually, with Alpha Capital. We're not sponsored, by the way. Bought an account, Alpha 10k account with Alpha Capital, and we are just going to use this account to be able to like make profits, you see. But this is just going to be, but the first thing that we need to do is focus on this account and make 10%, you see. And as you can see with the trading objectives, the profit is $1,000. Minimum trading days is 3 days. Max loss is $1,000, but my daily loss is $500. So I'm not supposed to risk more than $500 a day, you see. And when I put it practically, when I would trade with my live accounts, my personal accounts, I can't be honest, I can't even fund $500, you get me, if I wanted to, you see. So it's a thing of, I need to think practically and use those live account knowledge, to say that in a day I'm risking at, let's say, $50 a trade. I know that's realistic, bro. My bad. That's realistic in trades, like to risk $50, because I know I've done that with an account, you get me. A young $200 account was, what was I doing? Risking $50, you get me. So in this case, all we're gonna do is risk $50, you get me. 50 is, we're not trying to rush it, you see. Risk $50 to make $150, you see. So that's the case, you see. That's the case. This is just a one-step account, you see. You can see it's really fresh. Let's see. Yeah, I see. Start date 18th. Yeah. But overall, this is just part of the journey, you see. So if you want to stick around, tune down, like, comment down, subscribe, punch that subscribe button like we punched this trade, you see. You get me. Stick around. Shout out.